The 69-year-old hockey mogul sat quietly in the prisoner's dock as Judge Harry Demon pronounced him guilty on all but 2 of the 50 charges. The 2 specifics upon which Ballard was acquitted amounted to less than $200. In his ruling, the judge said the evidence presented during the 6-week trial showed a clear pattern of fraud, and that it was his opinion that Ballard was an active party to that fraud. Records taken from the gardens over 3 years ago showed that some $82,000 had been spent remodeling Ballard's home, but with the tab being picked up by Maple Leaf Gardens. Other documents indicated that between 1964 and 1970, a total of $123,000 had been deposited in a private bank account under the name of a dummy company, the Marlboro Athletic Club. Following today's verdict, Ballard's lawyer, J.J. Robinette, was granted permission to have character witnesses testify on his client's behalf prior to sentencing. The date for sentencing has been set for September 7th. Mr. Robinette also asked that before sentencing his client, he consider Ballard's age and the fact that he has already made full restitution of the $200,000. Ballard now faces anything from a suspended sentence to a 20-year stretch in prison. Mr. Ballard, what are your thoughts now that the trial is finally over and you've been found guilty?
The thoughts that went through my mind, I elected to be tried by a judge, and that's what Judge Damon thought the situation shaped up to in his mind. I haven't any malice against anyone in the Crown or the judge or anyone else. It was my own thinking and my own will that Judge Damon would try the case. And
have you been thinking about the likelihood of going to jail?
No, I haven't, because I don't feel guilty. But however, the Judge Damon considers that I am guilty, and it's entirely up to him. I've never given a jail sentence any thought as the furthest from my mind. But however, if there's a jail sentence, it's a jail sentence. Let's face it.